So right now I have most of it mocked up, just for the intercooler piping, trying to sort this out to get it out the way. This top hose will come from the turbo, which will sit where this battery is. I have to relocate that still. The main hard part is this bottom one where it hooks and it goes behind here and then hooks back over, and I'm connecting it to this and then into this engine cold air intake that's now going to be intercooler piping. So one of the things I have to do, this mass airflow sensor on the standalone on the Mega Squirt, it doesn't use the mass airflow sensor, so I'm putting this blow off valve insert in that spot, but I have to trim both the edges because it's too long, and I'm gonna have to re-roll it, but kind of looks to me. So this is what I got so far. I have the top mocked up to where the turbo's gonna sit, and then the bottom goes right there, comes around here. I had this clearance right there, but it comes here, hooks into cold air intake piping, which is now intercooler piping. So it looks good. Mainly if I were to pull that off. So I got the blow-off valve inserted. I'm about to order a new one because I kind of cut it too short on this end. This end's fine, but this is kind of short. You can kind of see right there, tiny bit short. So but that's pretty much it. Almost just gonna make the brackets.